Hi, this is a quick video tutorial on how to integrate the Addictive Ads iOS SDK and start monetizing. So it's a simple process. It's 4 steps. Step 1, you'd have to register your app and get your Addictive Ads ID. Second, you would download the Addictive Ads library and add it to your project. Then you would add required frameworks and configure paths. And then before you would import addictiveads.h and start using any of our APIs. So once you've done that, you'd be ready to monetize. So let's go into more detail into each one of these 4 steps. So for example, if you had this very simple app here and you want to monetize by showing Addictive Ad creative units, you first have to register your app. So you would go to addictiveadsnetwork.com and you would sign up if you haven't done so already. Click here to sign up. Once you're here, like I said, you would just simply register. Once you get your login details, you can then click login. It will redirect you to the dashboard. You can also be an advertiser or a publisher once you get this dashboard, but for our purposes right now, we want to just work with registering our app. So you click register app and you add all the information required here, the app, your app name, the platform, iOS. You select your category. In this case, we're just going to use adventure. And then you select the language. Here is typically the language of your app. So we're going to click English. And you would also add your app URL and simply click create. I haven't done the app URL in this case, but you should do that. So once you've done that, go to Publisher Dashboard. You scroll down and you'll see that your app for iOS will have its own app ID right here. So you just copy this app ID and then you go back to here and you simply paste it here like so. And that's pretty much it. Step 1 is done. Now for step 2, you need to download the Addictive Ads SDK. So you click on this link here. It'll start downloading. And once you open the folder, you'll see 2 different folders in here. The Ads Library and another one is Sample App. The Sample App is one of the best resources for developers to get acquainted with our different ads. And now we're just going to work with the Ads Library. So you simply need to drag the Ads Library folder and drop it here. Once this window shows up, you need to select the copy items if needed, create groups, and add to targets your app. Once you click finish, it is added. Now step 2 is essentially done. So now you need to do step 3 and add supporting frameworks. So at this point you need to do it in a new group. So you do a new file. Actually wait, so new group, frameworks, and then under this frameworks you'll add. So once you've done that, you click on build phases and then link binary with libraries. Then you add it here. So the first one, add support framework, and you add that. And the second one you need is system configuration framework, so you add that one. So both have been added, and now you have to configure the path. So select your project, build setting. Now you configure the header path. So here it is. You click it. Sorry, written here. So you just written here. So go to the folder ads library. You see it's all done. Everything's good. Now the configuration is done. Now you go to step 4. You need to initialize the SDK. So you go to the actual app, view controller file. So you import. Addictive ads.h, and it's under the folder addictive ads. So once you're done that, what we need is to initialize addictive ads. So let's do addictive ads. Ads equals nil. One second. So ads addictive ads init with app ID. So now that it's initialized, you have to start the session before you start using any of our APIs. So let's start doing that. And start session. Now we're ready to use any APIs. So for example, now if we want to show the full screen ad, you do it just like so. And show full screen. Now full screen will be shown up in our ad. So now if you want to do the show banner on the top, do it like so. Oops. Okay. You need one parameter. So if you want to show your ad on the bottom, you do it like so. Show the banner as 0. And the fourth creative unit is the native ad. So this is how you do it. Let's open the link. And that's pretty much it. That's the 4 different types of ads for iOS. So now you build your project out and you can see different ads. So here you go. Here are the 4 different ones. If you click show full screen ad, here's a full screen. If you click banner at top, you'll see the banner at the top. And like so, if you click banner ad at the bottom, you'll see at the bottom. Lastly, if you click on native ad, it'll just redirect to where the advertiser has chosen for the click URL. So those are your 4 ad units, and I hope it will help you configure your app, this video tutorial. And if you have any questions, you can drop us a message at sdk@addictiveads.com or visit our website at www.addictiveads.com. Thanks for watching.